This time of the year, I tried to reduce all the roses by about a third. It saves them getting blown around in the wind and the autumn gales, and it just rocks the root, so it's got its wind rock. Because if they get too high, they run around like that, and they just don't get away very well. So this time of the year, we try and get rid of all of this old, thin, spindly growth, and it just makes it easy to prune in the spring when you come down to give them a proper prune. Look at it, decide where you want to go. What I try and do is vase shape to the middle. So a lot of this is all crossing over, so we're trying to take this down and that's about right. You can take all of the thin spindly shoots off, take any snags or any dead wood that's died over the summer, take all that out, and any dead snags from old pruning cuts like that one there. If you don't take it away, it'll just keep on going further and further down the stem. So a nice clean cut, take it straight off. Any old prunings, burn them, put them on the bonfire, but don't compost them because they'll carry fungal diseases, anything like that. Take that. So in the spring, when we come to prune it again, we'll follow these shoots down, find a bud, and then prune it hard back. Then you'll get pruned back to an outward facing bud, and then you'll get a nice ball shaped rose, plenty of flowers on the top.